What is the foundation on which you can build your happiness? The first letter is probably the most important lesson in this dictionary of happiness. Hi, my name is Vibhor Kumar Singh, and this is my podcast, Catching Happiness with Vibhor. In this podcast, I help you unclutter from within and find your happiness one day at a time. Today, we start with the first word that is going to define our happiness, and that is going to define how we understand and appreciate what it actually means to find happiness. According to me, the first word and the most important word to find happiness is A for attitude. Having the right attitude in life is quintessential to find happiness. It is the most essential aspect which is required for any person to find their happiness in life. Attitude is also essential to be able to implement all the other tools and practices that go into making your life happy. I'm sure all of you know that the world likes to define people and their attitude based on a simple experiment of a glass of water which is filled till the middle. People who are optimistic about life look at the glass as half full, whereas people who are pessimistic about life look at the glass as half empty. This simple test has determined a person's attitude in life. However, I think this is a wrong notion, and it is important that we understand why. I'm equally sure that you have all heard of the story in which a thirsty crow on a hot afternoon sees a pot which is half filled with water. He is thirsty and has no other option in life. His focus and need is to get water. So, what does this thirsty crow do? He picks up pebbles from nearby, keeps dropping them into the jar of water till the water reaches a level which he can drink. This is actually the correct attitude in life to have. The relevant question is not whether your jar in life is half filled or half empty. The relevant question and the relevant answer is what you can do to ensure you get what you want. Happiness is not a luxury that one should aspire to get. Happiness is a basic human need which everyone should get. And you need to have the crow's can do attitude to get what you want in life. Simply contemplating whether the glass of your life has been filled half or has been left half empty is not attitude. It is not the right way to approach your journey of happiness. You have to take control of your life. You have to focus on satisfying your need of happiness, and you alone are responsible to find your happiness. The world may give you a half full glass, but by simply thinking that it is sufficient to look at life from a positive perspective, things will not change. Life will only change, life will only be happy when you make the effort of picking up all the pebbles and ensuring that the water is available to you. This, I think, is the basic and the most fundamental change in mindset that anyone has to achieve in order to find their happiness. Have a can do attitude. Do what you are required to do to find your happiness. Do not wait for the world to come and fill your glass. Do not blame the world for leaving your glass empty. This is not what leads to happiness. This is not what is a good attitude in life. Being optimistic, being pessimistic are all complicated words, and it is important for you to understand that life and happiness is found in simplicity. Do what is right, do what you need to do to find your happiness. This is the attitude, and it is as simple as this. Don't get confused and complicate your life by all the heavy words. That is not where you will find happiness. Happiness is simple, happiness is attainable. I hope that this short episode has helped you understand why it is important to have the can do attitude in life to find your happiness. A for attitude is where happiness begins, and you need to know that the right attitude is to go and get what you want in life. Just as the letter A forms the foundation of a lifelong journey of education, the letter A for attitude is the foundation on which you will build your happiness. It is the first step in this long journey of finding your happiness. Having the right attitude is the first step that you have to take in order to find your happiness. Attitude may be defined, redefined by different people in different manner. However, according to me, it is the can-do attitude that we have talked about in today's episode that counts towards happiness. Think about what I have said and brush up your attitude. Do not complicate it. Simply understand that attitude is all about doing. Unless you do, nothing will happen. And if nothing happens, you will probably never find your happiness. Do share this episode with anyone whom you think needs to be told that happiness is simple and that happiness can be found one day at a time.